Hello again. We're going to use the same process we used yesterday, essentially to complete our second historical example in your body paragraph. So I'll walk through it and you can follow along. If we notice we'll be filling in basically the same information. It says another example that demonstrates the effectiveness of, I'm just putting in my method again, court cases is the movement, I'm actually going to change the word for in this case to give people accused of crimes more rights. And I have my source gathering sheet here. I'm going to say I'm going to use this Gideon versus Wainwright example in 1963 in Florida. Who's the person? Person is Clarence Earl Gideon. Explain what they did and how they used the method. So what happened to him? He was accused of a crime, but couldn't afford a lawyer to represent him. When he was sent to jail, he sued, he sued, saying that it was not a fair trial because he couldn't afford a lawyer. It demonstrates the effectiveness of using the court system because it led to a ruling in the Supreme Court called Gideon versus Wainwright, which said that everyone needs to be given a lawyer if they want one, even if they cannot afford it. So really, it worked, right? He won, and I'm gonna fix this weirdness. Sometimes that happens, and you can just get rid of it, so you don't do it later, or you can do it later. But I don't want it to be like that, and I don't want it to be italics, so fixed, right? I have the who, what, when, where, why. I explain what goes on. I say when it happened, where it happened, all of that. So you're just gonna go through that process again and basically do exactly what you did yesterday, but with your second example, okay?